Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have a new video. Today we in our series it's JavaScript tutorials. That in this series we try to answer the famous JavaScript questions that you may face in your interview. If this sounds interesting for you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today it will be quite quick video. So basically, you have been asked to redeclare variables in switch block. So let's just try to see this switch block, and I have here a variable called name, and I'm trying to use it again, get a syntax error for declaration. And if you try to redeclare variables in a switch block, then it will cause errors because there is only one block. If you can see here, there is only one block for the in this example. And to avoid this error, you can create nested blocks, and inside a case calls and create a new block. So for example, if you want to make sure that you have this name and no error at all, so you could just create two blocks. And the question here is all being asked about how we can do this, why this working. This worked basically because the let any variables is being declared with let has something we call a block scope, and because it has something we called a block scope, the variables are only accessible inside this block and the only unique inside this block, and they have no other business outside of the block. If you have var instead, it will cause an error, because it should cause an error because var has a function scope, so the var is accessible for the full inside the full function scope. So basically, this question is mainly ask you about, do you know how let works? If that yes, okay, do you know how the block scope actually work? So this is the question is ask you about, but they don't say out loud. They just make it like take a pretty vague question, and you have to, and your job and your duty as an interviewer is to know that and just declare it. So that's it for this video. It was a quite quick video. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.